Okay, next is sum. A particle is in equilibrium. Whenever equilibrium comes, underline it. What is the condition for equilibrium? Equilibrium condition is Rx equal to 0 and other one is Ry equal to 0. Whenever equilibrium is mentioned, these two conditions come. Now next. On a smooth horizontal table when acted on by three horizontal forces as shown in the diagram. Look at the diagram. Three forces are acting. 7 Newton, 4 Newton and F Newton. Find the values of F and theta. From Rx equal to 0, Ry equal to 0, I will get two equations. Using those two equations, I need to find the value for F and theta. Let us resolve Rx first. For that, if I assume it to be x-axis, what is acting in this direction? Before that, 7 is acting horizontally, so I don't need to resolve 7. 4 is acting vertically, so 4 also no need to be resolved. This is acting at an angle theta, so this has to be resolved. To resolve it, I need to form a right angle triangle. So I drop a line here. Now, instead of walking from this point to this point, I am walking like this, so arrow has to be here. From here I am walking down, so arrow has to be down. Clear? And the next is, since this is adjacent to this one, this comes F cos theta. This is opposite to this angle, so this becomes F sin theta. Now, I cannot resolve any more in the diagram. So let us start Rx. 7 is in this direction, so 7 first. The other force acting on Rx is F cos theta, which is in opposite direction. So 7 minus F cos theta equal to 0 is your Rx. Now Ry, what is acting in the positive y direction? 4, and below is F sin theta. So 4 minus F sin theta equal to 0. Clear? Now using these two you need to find F and theta. How do we find? See here. 7 equal to F cos theta. Same way here, send F sin theta to the other side. Clear? Now I am dividing these two. F sin theta by F cos theta is equal to 4 by 7. F and F gets cancelled, tan theta equal to 4 by 7. So theta is nothing but tan inverse 4 by 7, which is nothing but 29.7. Clear? Now place this theta value here to get F. So F equal to, send cos theta to this side. So 7 by cos of 29.7. So that will give you the value for F, which is 8.06 newtons. Am I clear with this one?